Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Investors and Traders Club. So going to the top 3 long-term investment stocks. The first long-term investment stock I'm gonna suggest to you is SBI Life Insurance. So you can also see, this is a price action chart of today, which is at minus 0.15%. We going to the 5 days. You can see there is a 4.37% return, and 1 month 2.97, and 6 month it's been 18.54, and going to the year, it's 33% return, so which is it's consistently giving a good return, so you can see. And so this is the first long term investment stock I'm gonna suggest you to invest right now. This also which is a stock in Nifty 50, which is good, and this stock is gonna be a game changer in the Nifty. So going to the September financials in 2021, you can see the revenue is up, net income is somewhat delayed, and diluted EPS, earning per share, net profit margin was down. The operating income was up, and the cash on hand is increased, and cost of revenue is also increased to 37.7%, 1%. So this kind of good in revenue and cash on hand and cost of revenue, so that's what kind of good. And going to the June 2021, you can see in June there's been a lot of negative, and in March there's kind of good, and in December there is kind of small. So from quarterly they are kind of increasing their operating income. Revenue has been increasing. You can see they are consistently growing their assets and growing their revenue. So these are one of the stock which is good for long term, and also you can get a pretty good dividend for long term, so you can go for it. And going to the next long term stock, which is Wipro. Here it is. You can see today minus 1.80 points. So going to 5 days, it gave 2.5%, 1 month 11%, 6 months 30%, and the year it gave 83%, which is good. And maximum you can see there's a kind of 5061%, which is from, you can see, from 2000 April 2000 to till now, which is approximately 21 years. Still the company is in Sensex and stock market, so this kind of stock is good for pretty dividends and everything. So going to the financial of September quarter, you can see revenue up, net income up, diluted earning per share is up, the net profit margin is somewhat low, and the operating income, net cash in change is up, net cash in change is 121% up, and cost of revenue is also up, and cash on hand is 6.82%, so they are not maintaining cash on hand, and so this kind of good. And going to June, you can see the positives, the green, the revenue, net income, diluted EPS, net profit margin, operating income is also up, and net cash in cash, net change in cash, and cash on hand is kind of low in negative, but the cost of revenue is also increased, which is also bad. So going to the March, you can see the pretty positives of revenue, net income, everything, but our cost of revenue is decreased. And December it kind of increased everything, but net change in cash on hand, cost of revenue, these are kind of everyone don't check these kind of three, pretty kind of they check it low, but quarterly the Wipro stock is kind of gaining good momentum, and it's growing good. You can see the 5 in 1 month it's been grown 11%, 6 months 30%, which is kind of going from nice. And the third long term stock, which is Tech Mahindra. So you can see today it was been 0.17% down, and 5 days you can see 4%, and 1 month it's given 16%, and 6 months it's gave 64%, and the year it gave 83%, and overall it gave 1226. and from over here at March 2020, it kind of nearly gave 220% return. So that is the main reason I'm suggesting you this stock to keep in your long term investment in your portfolio. So going to the financials, see the positives: revenue, net income, diluted EPS, net profit margin, operating income were up, and cost of revenue is also increased. Cash on hand is decreased, which is good, and cost of revenue is, which is bad. And June, you can see the positives of everything: revenue, net income, diluted EPS, net profit margin, operating income, all are up. And March 2021, you can see the positives and the negatives: cash on hand, cost of revenue decreased, which is also good. And December 2020, which is cost of revenue is been decreased, which is good, and everything has been increased, but the revenue is kind of low at 0.08%, which is a bad thing, but it is consistently gaining some positives. You can check that. So this is the best stock to invest right now for long term, for pretty good dividend. Also you can see dividend yield at 0.83%. So that's what, these are the three stocks to invest right now, so go for it.
Hope you liked the video. Then please don't forget to smash the like button, and if you are interested in this content on stock market, then don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more notifications from this YouTube channel of Investors and Traders Club. So thank you for watching this. Keep investing and trading.